Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the login request sent issue on Instagram. If you're stuck on this screen, follow these quick steps to resolve it. First, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. A weak or unstable connection could cause this issue. If your connection is fine, the next step is to force close the app. On both Android and iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and close Instagram completely. Then reopen the app and try logging in again. Next, clear the cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, Instagram, Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. This can resolve temporary bugs like the login request sent issue. The next step is to log out of all sessions. Go to your email inbox and look for any recent security emails from Instagram. Open the email and log out of all devices using the link provided. Afterward, try logging in into Instagram again. After completing the previous steps, try logging in once more. This should clear the login request issue, allowing you to access your account. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the login request sent issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!